Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on message notifications for WhatsApp web on your PC. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple process to ensure you never miss an important message from friends or family. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface where you can access all your chats. However, to enable notifications, we need to tweak a few settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a gear icon. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. This is where you can customize various options for your WhatsApp web experience. Now click on the Notifications option. This will take you to a page where you can manage how you receive notifications from WhatsApp web. Here, you'll see options related to message notifications. To turn on message notifications, simply check the box next to Message Notifications. This will ensure that you receive alerts whenever someone sends you a message, even if you're not actively using WhatsApp web. By enabling this feature, you'll stay connected and up to date with all your conversations. Whether you're working, browsing, or simply not focused on WhatsApp web, you'll still get notified about new messages. It's worth noting that these settings are independent of your phone's notification settings. So, even if you mute notifications on your phone, you can still receive them on your PC if you have this feature enabled. If you're someone who frequently uses WhatsApp web for work or personal communication, turning on message notifications can be incredibly useful. It helps you respond promptly to important messages without having to constantly check the app. In conclusion, enabling message notifications on WhatsApp web is a straightforward process that enhances your messaging experience. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure that you're always informed about new messages, even when you're not actively using WhatsApp web. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.